Hello and welcome back to 5-Element Qigong to embody and activate your innate healing ability. And my name is Maria Chowdhury, and in this video we're exploring the 3 levels of meaning of the 5 elements. And so in Qigong is a vast lifelong practice, right? And we have this practice called 3 treasures Qigong. And I don't want you to get too confused about it, but I want to bring it here. And in the 3 treasures, we have 3 treasures in our body. One is called Jing, Qi, and Shen. Jing is how energy takes form. So formless energy turning into form. Just like the 5 elements themselves, it's formless energy that's coming into form. And that's why we have earth, metal, water, wood, and fire. It's the way this life force energy takes form in manifest form on our planet. And it's pervasive on every aspect of creation on this planet. And Jing is the part that comes into form. And so in this video, I'm going to talk about Jing, and in the other videos, we'll talk about Qi and Shen. So Jing, in the 5-element perspective, we're talking about the body. We're also talking about the physical practice. If you can see a person doing a physical practice, you're relating to that practice on the Jing level and form with your body. And each element is associated with an organ of your body. And this starts to become, Jing starts to become your personal experience of the elements. And it's really related a lot to the medical Qigong. So for example, the earth element is connected to your stomach and your spleen. And it is connected, so if you were going to do Qigong for earth element, stomach and spleen, you would be doing Qigong practice for better digestion. Now, if you were to be doing Qigong for the metal element, that is connected to your lungs and your large intestines. So that practice would be Qigong for better breathing, Qigong for a healthy immune system. Now, Qigong with the water element, water is connected to your kidneys and your bladder. And so you would be doing Qigong for low back pain, Qigong for bones, for joints. Now, Qigong for the wood element is connected to your liver and your gallbladder. And you would be practicing Qigong for stress relief, Qigong for vitality and longevity. And for the fire element, you would be connecting to your heart and your small intestine. There's also the pericardium and the triple warmer. But you would be working with the heart. You would have Qigong for a healthy heart, Qigong for healthy cardiovascular system and circulation. And so when you're thinking about practicing the 5 elements, when you're thinking about the Jing level, you're thinking about how to have a healthy body and a personal experience. Now, in the next video, I'll talk more about Qi, the Qi level, and I'll see you there.